Today we are trying something new. We're engraving on slate. I've never engraved on slate before. I'm so excited and I hope it turns out really well. I've seen so many beautiful designs on Pinterest and it inspired me to give it a shot. So we had slate coasters lying around and I thought, why not? So let's do some designing and let me show you my settings. Here is my design in Coral Draw. I'm cleaning it up by editing the nodes. This helps smooth out the lines and make the artwork look sharper before we send it to the laser. Here in Lightburn, I'm using the camera to update the overlay. This lets me line up the design accurately with the blank coaster on the honeycomb. For engraving, I'm running it at a speed of 700 and my power is on 23 and the air assist is switched off. My very first slate engraving. I think it turned out amazing. It looks so pretty and exactly like those Pinterest designs that I saw, and I can't wait to make a set of my own.